In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the metal farm here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can really place this wherever you want. You just have to make sure that it has power. So for example, if you wanted to do this in the starting area, you just obviously equip that habitat builder, find that metal farm on here, place it down, right? Something like that. And you could place multiple of these if you wanted, right? But to make sure that they have power, you need to equip a specific power thing as well. I'd recommend using a power transmitter and essentially placing a solar panel on something, right? We'll go ahead and just create a basic room. We'll put a solar panel on top of it, just like so. And of course, right now there's no sun out, but in a minute there will be. And then of course, you also should use a power transmitter onto that solar panel as well, just to ensure that they're getting power. You can place multiple of these if needed, so just keep that in mind. But that's going to be the full process right here. Now, once again, you need to make sure that you do have power in order for this to work. And right now, it is not bright enough for these to be working, but that's going to be the process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.